The problem with guided imaginations. I'm a big fan of guided meditations. I used guided meditations a lot when I was first beginning to meditate for the first 5 years. The problem is that many of the guided meditations offered on YouTube and elsewhere are actually guided imaginations, not guided meditations. Classical yoga and meditation is done while seated, and the mind is focused on one sound or one image, or on spaciousness, or on the breath. In true meditation, the focus does not change from moment to moment, or from day to day, or even from year to year. I was trained in classical yoga meditation. I focused every day for 49 years on the same sound, every day, the same sound. Meditation, when it is done correctly, takes you deeper and deeper into one experience, into one focus. Meditation is not jumping from object to object, nor is it an imagined experience. Meditation is not an imagined experience. That is a fantasy, and fantasy is not meditation. Actual meditation is all about getting deeply in touch with reality. An imagined state is not reality. An artificially created fantasy is not reality, but fiction. There is a big difference between the two. Meditation is all about getting deeply in touch with reality. I understand the desire to have a quick, quote, spiritual experience, unquote. But an imagined experience is not a real experience. Meditation, if it is pursued with diligence, persistence, and with patience, will eventually take you to an actual real experience. But without discipline or practice, you go nowhere. An imagined experience is not a real experience. I can imagine that I have lost 5 pounds, but when I weigh myself, the scale says otherwise. If you choose to use a guided meditation, make sure that the person leading the guided meditation has experience. My suggestion is to make sure that the person who's leading the meditation has at least 20 years of a daily meditation practice. If you want a fantasy experience, just go to the movies.